tutorial, I will show you how to rearrange content in Procreate Dreams. You can check out the description box below to see how you can download the project file to follow along. So over here, I have different pieces of content. Say that I want to move this guy upwards. I can just hold it and ignore the pop-up and then move it upward and drop it. And similarly, I can also move it down. I want to remind you that when you drop one content on top of the other one, let me just go to the exact point on the stage as well. So we have 4 pieces of art supplies. If I accidentally drop my crayon or oil pastel on top of this pink crayon, as you can see, the crayon kind of disappeared on the stage. This will cover up the crayon. So you really want to make sure the place that you're going to has space for it. So you're not covering up any content, unless that's your intention. So basically, that's how you rearrange content in Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.